Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to write a blog post in minutes just using Copy AI application. Let's get started. First, open the Copy AI app in your browser and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click plus create new and choose chat for a quick start. Then here you see a prompt box. Type what you want that the blog post to be about. You need to be creative and specific and be detailed with your idea, like this example prompt here. You can also include the intro, the main points, and conclusion. Then, click generate, and the Copy AI will generate instantly in your drafts in seconds. You can now review, edit, and format the post for your blog platforms. You can also add images, links, or SEO keywords if needed. And that's how you're going to create a blog post in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.